Okay. So once again, good morning, everyone. So allow me to give you some questions or reviews regarding your exam that is set for the skip. Since we have a cancellation of classes today, we need to maximize the time given to us. So you may take down notes. You may answer my questions. You may just type it in the what do you call this message section of our Gmeet. And if you agree with the answer, you may just click the thumbs up button. Okay? Gets po ba natin? May I see a response? You may send me a heart if you agree. Hello?
Best friend, hindi ko alam kung paano sila i-entertain.
Ano, ang dami ko ng likes ko, 1.4. Okay. Sige. Yung mga nandyan, maki-review na lang kayo sa akin. Ayan. So, let's start with the first question. Okay. This is our first question for this morning. Well, morning. First, in arts. Okay, sa arts tayo, 'di ba? We discuss about photography, we discuss about digital art. Now, what do you call or what do we call science of making an image through recording light? Ang tawag natin doon, what do you call a science of making an image through recording light? A. Is it photography? Some of you have answered answered photography. Tama ba? May I see? A. Okay, so the correct answer is photography. Okay? Wait lang. Allow
Anong
me to
number yan,
change
sir,
my
sa exam?
internet connectivity to secret. Ayun lang, i-change ko lang yung internet ko kasi may internet ng school. Ayun, full na ba ako? Buti pa yung tomboy na cashier. Oh, kaotay na. Okay na. Sige. Next. Next question. In PE naman, di ba there are 8 lymphatic according to Patanjali. Now, the question is, what do we call or what do we call or what stage in yoga do we consider practitioner experiences where their state of mind is in enlightenment, or they are more focused on enlightenment? In the 18th path of yoga, what do we call or what part of the 18th path is considered as enlightenment? Anyone? Sige, ano tayo? A. Dharana. B. Pratyahara. C. Samadhi. D. Dhyana. Okay, so the correct answer is Samadhi. Pag sinabi natin enlightenment, it's more on Samadhi. Okay, that's part of the 8 path of yoga. Now, aside from that, in music, what kind of or what vocal forms in African music do we consider singing in a cappella and has a monophonic nature? Again, in African music, what do we consider a vocal form where it is being sung in a cappella and has a monophonic nature? Anyone? Pag sinabi nating monophonic, it's okay, very good the keyword. It's spiritual. Okay, next. What is the main or what is the wait lang, hanap tayo. Ayun. What technique is being used in African music? Diba? There are techniques, there are ways in playing an African music. Now, the question is, what technique they use or the African use to create or to form music? Anyone? Anong tawag natin doon? Anong technique? Francis Ramiscal.
Sir,
May
ano sir?
sagot ba kayo? Anong technique ang ginagamit sa African music?
May choices nga sir.
Choices, sige. A. Reggae music. B. Gospel music. 3. C. Call and response. D.
Naka.
Voice instrument.
Si AB. Ay A.
Anong anong A?
Ano yun sir? Ay, A. Basta A sir.
Ang A ay anong A? Reggae music? Are you sure?
Ay. C na lang din sir.
Okay, okay. Congratulations, Juno. It's
Lo.
call and response. Okay, so take note. The main technique that Africans use in creating music is call and response. Okay? Okay, next. Um, next. Anong meaning ng yoga in Sanskrit? What's the main or what's the the meaning of yoga? Is it meditation? Is it stretching?
Meditation sir.
Is it union?
Meditation.
Are you sure that's according to Sanskrit?
Ay.
It's
Stretching din sir. Lo.
A. Union. B. Meditation. C. Exercise. D. Stretching. O, saan doon? Ano? Patingin natin. Ano? What's the meaning of yoga in Sanskrit? It's union. O, take note of that. It's union. Okay, gets ba natin, people? Hello? Pakiclick ng thumbs up kung may nakikinig pa. Kung wala, itigilan natin to.
Uy, RD!
Kung wala, itigilan natin to. Nagsasayang ako ng oras. Char.
RD, ba't ka na?
Okay, next. Next tayo. Next, ito. Okay. What do we call an art where we use software applications to create an art or to form an art? What do we call an art, or what kind of art is being used when we utilize or when we use software applications such as Adobe, Canvas, PicArts? It's digital art. Okay? So pag sinabi natin gumamit tayo ng mga software applications, ito ay considered as digital art. Next, who is the driver of a film? It is the captain of a film. Sino siya? Sino po siya? Ang driver ng film is the one who controls the production team, the one who controls the actors, siya ang nag-set, siya ang nagmamanage. Okay, so basically it's the director. Okay, very good. Okay, next. Ito. What law is being practiced when everyone is encouraged to donate blood so that we ensure a sufficient supply of blood in our country? Anong law yun? Pag sinabi natin donation of blood, anong law yun? Okay, it's the National Blood Services Act of 1994. Okay, ayun. Next, anong tawag pagka ako ay nagbenta ng mga droga? Anong tawag sa akin?
Addict ka, sir.
Ik. Anong tawag doon pag ako ay nagbenta ng mga ano? Anong kriminal?
Pabili.
Oo nga, pero anong tawag? It's, ano yung ramiskal?
Pabili, sir.
Ano pabili? Anong tawag doon? Pusher. Okay, pag
True, sir. Sir, may ganyan sa exam, sir?
ito na, kaya nga binibigay ko eh.
Ay,
Pagka nag-finance naman, pagka ginastosan, siya ang gumastos para bumili, magpabili ng drugs. Hindi po sugar daddy ha, hindi sugar mommy. Ano, siya ay
Mayaman.
perfect, mapera. Siya ay isang financier. Take note of that. O di may 2 points na kayo agad. Pusher, financier. Okay? Next. Anong process? Kumare si Ramiscal ay nag-vape. Anong tawag doon? Siya ay nag-inhale.
cool. Siya ay cool.
Ano?
Vapor, sir?
Ikaw ay anong action 'yon pag ikaw ay nag-vape? That's considered as
Legal.
legal. Nanigarilyo ka, anong English nun?
Smoking.
Smoking. Okay? Next. Anong, di ba there are four, if I'm not mistaken, four or five illegal or cyber crimes. Di ba? There are five examples of cyber crimes. Now, if you commit an unauthorized access to all portion or part of a computer system, what cybercrime is being committed? Is it data interference? Are you sure? Anong tawag doon? If someone access your computer system without authority, without asking permission, what do you call that crime? It's illegal access. Okay, pag wala pong pahintulot ang may-ari, that's illegal access. Next. Oh, what violation is being committed when someone use a minor to film to film sige. Oh, what ano anong tawag dito? What violation? What do we call a violation when someone use a minor to film pornography? That is, pag sinabing minor, that is child pornography. So minor nga eh. Okay. Next. Ano pa ba? Last na to, last. Anong tawag sa ito sa elements of film, what do we call, hindi pala. What do we call an individual who portray the character in a story or in a film? Anong tawag doon? Pagka sila ang nagpo-portray ng character ng isang nagpo-portray ng role ng isang character sa film. Ang tawag doon, are they directors? Sila ba ay producers? Sila ba ay cameraman? Tawag doon, they are actors. Very good. Okay, pag sila po ay napoportray ng role or character, sila po ay actor. Okay, so I gave you some of the possible questions in your exams. So please review your lessons in Genio. You may access all the PowerPoint presentations. You may also watch my video lecture uploaded during the class cancellations during the online classes. So ayun lang naman, just review so that tomorrow mape-perfect yung exam. Okay? Is that clear, Del Pilar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is our discussion or review for this morning. Thank you so much. Okay, I will end our ano na.
Guys,